Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device can create passkeys. This matters because passkeys rely on platform authenticators. Once logged into Binance, go directly to Profile then Security. Don't wander through menus. Make sure your phone's biometrics or device PIN are active because Binance will call the platform authenticator to create the key pair. If you have multiple devices, pick the one you'll use daily and also set a recovery method so you don't lose access. You now create the passkey. Select Create Passkey and choose either your device's authenticator or a hardware security key. When Binance prompts, complete the platform verification. Use fingerprint, face unlock, or device PIN to generate and register the credential. Name the passkey clearly so you can differentiate devices later, for example, phone right thumb. Once the registration completes, Binance stores a public key and your device holds the private key. This is what lets you authenticate without a password. Finish by testing sign-in with the new passkey to confirm it works. This proves the key pair and registration are correct. Make sure to add at least one backup method, such as a second passkey on another device or a registered hardware key, and enable a recovery option like an authenticator app. If you run into trouble, clear the app cache, update Binance and OS, then retry registration. If problems persist, contact Binance support with device details and error messages so they can help restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.